guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a new video and it's all about how to install an AC player in 5.1 Talk and how to use it in the classroom. Now if you're interested, so just keep on watching. So I was a level S tag teacher after I attended a training, and then the system tagged me as level S teacher. So by that, I am now eligible to conduct classes for beginner students, those level S students. And but right now here in 5.1 Talk, there are a lot of teachers, even though they're not a level S tag teacher, they receive classes from, they receive bookings from level S students. So there are lots of teachers who are confused in how to use and play the video in the lesson. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the AC player. The AC player is like an application that you need to run for you to download the video that is needed to be played in the lesson. And also, I'm going to show you on how to use it in the actual class. First thing is that you need to check or click download video, and then it will appear on the screen. You need to click that one to install AC player for download, because in there you can play the like the video. Okay, now let's try it. Let's try to download it, and then let's show it in a folder. And yes, let's wait for it to load. It takes too long. And then you need to click yes, and then install. Alright, so it starts installing now. Hey, come on, the time is running. I have a level S student, and that's Weiner, so I need to install an AC player because there's a video in the lesson. So you need to click start. Okay, so click noted. Now let's try it. Let's try to enter the classroom now. If you click that one, loading, yes, because I'm using the recorder right now, so why not? Very good. I can do it by myself. Yes, you're awesome, dear. Here's your... Yeah, I can do it by myself. Here's your... Very good. So here's your ice cream. Yum, 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 yum. Very good. Now, let's run to the next page. Let's have game time. Why not? Game time, game time, game time, game time, game time. Are you ready? Ready? Yay, let's go. Come on. Okay, now I will show you a video, okay? Now here you go. Watch the video first, Weiner. Are you ready? Are you ready? Listen and watch this. Okay, there you go. Okay. Yay! That's awesome, Weiner. Now, say hello to Teddy Bear. Hello. Hi, Weiner.